This is the Bonsai Tree Kit, and it comes with four varieties of bonsai seeds. So you can grow your own bonsai tree right from seed. And you do get four types of seeds in here so that you're going to be actually growing four different trees. So this is a real bargain when you think about that. Gosh, you're getting four trees for the less than what the price of one would be. The kit contains the seeds for the jacarda, which when it blooms, it's purple. The black pine, which is a real pretty green, and the locust tree, which is a real deep green. And then you have the Deinonyx riga, which is in the fall that'll be a real fiery orangish red. It's really pretty. These all these varieties can be kept indoors or outdoors, and you can leave them out there any time of the year. Once they start growing, you don't have any problem with that. Um, so you don't have to have them in a greenhouse. You don't have to start them in a greenhouse. You just make sure that you have adequate water and light, and they'll grow really good with those little pots in there. You get four varieties of seeds, four soil discs, four jute bags that hold the little disc while they're growing, and then once they start getting bigger, then you want to transplant them into a container. You get four plant markers so that you always know which tree is which, and you get some really nice snippers, and because you're going to have to be pruning these from time to time, and two different types of shovels and a rake. And some tweezers, and of course, the instructions, and they all come in this really nice wooden box. This really is a really nice set, and this would make a great Christmas or birthday gift for someone. Um, and it would really make a very unusual housewarming gift or a thank you gift or hostess gift for somebody especially somebody that's always wanted a bonsai tree, but they're just so expensive. It's one of those things you're probably never going to be able to afford to have because they do take several years to grow. Um, and go ahead, and I think you're going to really like this. Go ahead and pick them up and get several of them for the holidays to give as gifts. And like I say, they make great hostess gifts when you're invited to a party or something at Christmas time. This would be a great thing to take because this is going to be something they're going to really appreciate, and nobody else is going to be getting for them. So, yeah, pick some up, give them a try. Let me know what you think.